everyone, thank you for watching. For this look, I did a blue smoky eye with glitter. If you like this look, please keep on watching and like and subscribe. For the brows, I'll be using the IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Power in the color taupe. For the eyes, I'll be using the Pure Sur Diaries palette. And for the transition, I'll be using the color Stunner. I'm using a large brush from Wet n Wild. Second palette I'll be using is the Pure BoxyCharm X palette, and I'll be using the shade Mia. I am using a Vintage Cosmetics Step 1 for the Money brush. Now I'll be going back with the Pure Sur Diaries in the shade Stunner. I'll be using the J-Cat glitter called Bondi Black, and for the glue I'm using the Kish Lash. To apply the glitter, I am using an e.l.f. concealer brush. To smoke out my eyes more, I am going to go back with the BoxyCharm X Pure and use the shade Duet. Now going back with the Pure Sur Diaries, I am using Stunner. For the wing liner, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar Gel Ink. The brush I am using is from Aesthetica, and it's for the eyeliner. Lashes, I'll be using Sonia Kazuk. For foundation, I'll be using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the color Soft Beige. To blend out the foundation, I am using a silicone sponge. I'm using a Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer in the color Light Ivory. Now I am using the Airspun in the color Naturally Natural. Using the Pure Sur Diaries and using the shade Stunner. For contour, I'll be using the Pure Sculpture palette, and I'll be using the shade Inventor. The brush I am using to contour is the Wet n Wild contour brush. For blush, I'll be using the Pretty Vulgar Hush Blush Make Them Blush. The brush I am using is from Crown Brush. I'm using the Aesthetica large brush. For highlight, I'll be using the shade Originator. For the inner corner, I'll be applying the Tarteist Pro Glow. The lips, I'll be applying the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the color Nudist Peach. The second lip product I'll be using is from Maybelline, and it's Super Stay Matte in the color Poet. For mascara, I'm using the Butter London Double Decker Lash. To line my lash line, I'll be using the Vintage Cosmetics Smokey Eye Pencil. So this is the end of the tutorial. Hope everyone enjoyed, and if you like it, please comment down below anything in particular that you want to see, and thanks for watching.